Say goodbye to skin problems with these 5 DIY Jamun face masks. Jamun, also known as black plum or Java plum, is not just a delicious fruit but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, Jamun can help tackle various skin issues, from acne to dullness. In this article, we'll explore 5 DIY Jamun face masks that can revitalize your skin and bid farewell to common skin problems. 1. Jamun and honey face mask. Ingredients: 2 to 3 ripe jamun fruits, 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Method: mash the ripe jamun fruits into a smooth paste. Mix the jamun paste with honey until well combined. Apply the mixture to your cleansed face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and follow up with a moisturizer. Benefits: Jamun helps in reducing acne and pimples due to its antibacterial properties. Honey moisturizes the skin and adds a natural glow. Regular use can help in improving skin texture and reducing blemishes. 2. Jamun and yogurt face mask. Ingredients: 2 to 3 ripe jamun fruits, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Method: mash the ripe jamun fruits and mix them with yogurt to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture evenly on your face and neck. Let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. Benefits: yogurt gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells and revealing a brighter complexion. Jamun's antioxidant properties help in fighting free radicals, preventing premature aging. This mask can help in reducing suntan and pigmentation over time. 3. Jamun and multani mitti face mask. Ingredients: 2 to 3 ripe jamun fruits, 1 tablespoon of multani mitti, Fuller's earth. Method: mash the ripe jamun fruits and mix them with multani mitti to make a paste. Apply the mixture evenly on your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Benefits: multani mitti helps in absorbing excess oil and unclogging pores, making it ideal for oily and acne-prone skin. Jamun tightens the skin and reduces the appearance of large pores. Regular use can help in controlling acne breakouts and improving skin tone. 4. Jamun and lemon face mask. Ingredients: 2 to 3 ripe jamun fruits, juice of half a lemon. Method: mash the ripe jamun fruits and mix them with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply the mixture on your face and neck, avoiding the sensitive eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with cold water and pat dry. Benefits: lemon, lightening dark spots and blemishes, giving you an even skin tone. Jamun's vitamin C content promotes collagen production, improving skin elasticity. This mask can help in reducing excess oil production and brightening dull skin. 5. Jamun and aloe vera face mask. Ingredients: 2 to 3 ripe jamun fruits, 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Method: mash the ripe jamun fruits and mix them with aloe vera gel until smooth. Apply the mixture on your face and neck, massaging gently in circular motions. Let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Benefits: aloe vera soothes and hydrates the skin, reducing inflammation and redness. Jamun's anti-inflammatory properties help in calming irritated skin and reducing acne. Regular use can help in achieving a clear, radiant complexion. With these 5 DIY Jamun face masks, you can bid farewell to various skin problems and embrace healthy, glowing skin. Incorporate these masks into your skincare routine regularly for best results, and say hello to a revitalized complexion.